Hello everybody, I got here is a Nighthawk AX4200 Nighthawk AX5 5-stream Wi-Fi 6 router, and this thing is supposed to be able to handle recommended for 2 to 3 bedrooms home, suitable up to 25 device. I already own a Nighthawk AX, I think it's a 6, and that one is a 5200, and I've been using it for over a year. I don't have any issues, so that's why I went ahead and bought this one. And not sure if this is the, I think they're the same year, because this one is already in clearance. Just happening to be looking for a router for my son. He's moving into a small apartment, so we got him a router. Regular price was retail on this one is $199. It varies with like from $149 to up to $200. So this, I saw this in clearance for $99 at Walmart, so I went ahead and bought it. So this is an unboxing video, and before my son moves into his apartment, I'm gonna test it in my house, since I have a lot of device running in my house right now. Up to, I think there's like 20 device running, from cameras to the smart device TV and phones running through it and computers running to it. So, and so far it didn't crash, no problems at all for over a year. So I figure I'll stick with Nighthawk since I got a good experience with them. Plus, this is cheaper. So let's open this up, and hopefully it can handle all of the device running now. If it does, then it's perfect, so I wouldn't have to worry about crashing in my son's apartment. So let's open this up, see what's inside the box. To slide out. Go. All right, so what's inside? Oop. Clumsy. Inside is a quick start to download the app, to install your router, secure device with Netgear Armor, do more with the app. So it's just the contents, what's inside. Supposed to have a router, antenna, Ethernet cable, and power adapter. And it is all the lights functions here. And here is the router. It's made out of plastic, very light. And there's a QR code here. I'm gonna remove this thing. This one has a QR code. This one has a QR code that you can scan, and so I'll save that there for now. So here's the router. Nice, shiny, feels good to the touch. Here is the back. You have your for your internet here, power plug, antenna. So there's 2 antennas, USB 3 cable, reset, 4-port. Oh, and two more antennas. So 4 antennas. So let's see, you have 4 antennas here. So here are the 4 antennas. Alright, sorry for the abrupt editing there. The card of my camera was full, so it just cut off while I was installing the antennas. Anyway, here are the antennas, 4 of them. You tighten it here. You tighten this, hold this part here, tighten it, then you can turn it up, okay? So in the back, I don't know if I show you already, it's the reset, USB, the port 1000. This yellow thing goes to the modem, this yellow port. This cable, normally it comes in yellow. This one came in black. I would rather have them use yellow, that way it's easy to look over, like, oh, that's the cable that goes to the modem. But they put black, so it's fine. Power plug and power on and off button, right? So here's what it looks like. It's really nice. Looks nice. It looks like the same. Looks the same as the one I have already. Here's the power brick I showed earlier, and I'm currently downloading the app so I can set this up. All right. So I downloaded the app and I have to sign up for a new account. So I'm gonna scan the QR code that was in the that came with the router. You're prompted to connect to this network shortly. So I have to plug this in and set it up. Okay, it's pretty straightforward, so I don't need to show you guys this one. All right. So the sticker, this QR code, I'm gonna stick it in the bottom of the router. Right, the sticker that came with it, the QR code. All right, this is the router. I'm gonna temporarily replace with a new one. See how dusty it is. I haven't touched this for a long time because it's been working good. So anyway, probably gonna clean it and put a new one here. To test it for over a week before I give it to my son, so there's no issue, and then I don't have to go to his room to troubleshoot, or apartment to troubleshoot. All right, so see, this one has a yellow Ethernet cable here for the modem. I don't know why that one came with black. Anyway, I'm gonna switch them and complete the setup. All right, so I unplug all the cables. Here's my old one, and here's the new one. It's basically the same, right? Old, new, same size too. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna put the new one here. Yellow, okay. That's how I set it up. The yellow is gonna be came from the modem. That's why I was confused why it gave me black. So anyway, all the blue goes to the port. I gotta find that one I dropped. I'll put this later once I set up the router. So I got connecting to router. Oh, I forgot to turn the power on. I forgot to plug it in too, duh! Bloopers! Alright, so I plugged in the power supply. Put the power back on. It's on. You know, it's the simple things that you miss that will cost you hours of troubleshooting. One time I forgot to plug in my keyboard and I kept restarting my computer. The issue was I forgot to plug in my keyboard. Alright, let me try again. I might have to restart my modem. So. Alright, it's almost like 5 minutes and it still say checking internet. So taking a while here. So alright, it's taking forever. So I'm gonna go restart my modem. I think when I switched router, it kinda went cuckoo. Alright, so I restarted my modem. Click try again. Alright, it's working. Well, wait while the update your modem settings. Okay, almost done. Alright, it's taking firmware. So I've been at this for like 20 minutes already, including the troubleshooting. Some of them by fault update. So I'm just updating now. Okay, no more red. Next. Damn, too much stuff. Connecting to router again. What's up with that? Alright, it's done. No, I don't want anything. You want me to do the protection and everything. I don't want any of that shit. Anyway, kind of miss. I'm gonna test my speed. Where was that now? Internet speed. So, test my speed. Anyway, I've kind of missed the days where you just type 192.168.1.1 and you can set up really quickly. The app takes too long, man. Let's see how fast is this one is. Upload is 12 megabyte. And now 14. Don't go to sleep. And my dogs are barking. And download is 200 megabytes per second. So it's fast. Alright, so I'm gonna use this for, I'm gonna set it up some more so I can set up the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. So I'm probably gonna give you another video update either a week from now or a month from now. Depends on how I feel, or if this didn't start crashing before that. Alright, so this is the... Alright everyone, I think it's already a month since I plugged this in, and no issue so far, whole month. So it's good. And there's about 50 devices running at the same time on this one, like Google Home, the smart TV, and computers running on it. So, and 3 switches actually. I have 3 routers that I converted to a switch, and it handled it really well. No issues so far. And today is the June 1st, Thursday, and it's still running good. Alright, so this is the Netgear AX5, and I hope this helps on your purchasing needs, if you like this router or not. This is my experience only though. I have no issues with this one, so hopefully when you get your own router, any brand you want, that you don't have issues like this one. I didn't have any issues at all. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Alright, thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.